Okay, so this is a skylight outside, and as I mentioned before when we took the video on the inside, what I'm trying to do is demonstrate how to test your Velux skylight to see if it's the skylight leaking or the roof's leaking. As I mentioned before, when we were on the inside of the house, we had water dripping on the inside of the drywall, behind the drywall surface, and what the problem is with that and trying to diagnose it. You know, the first inclination when it's dripping on the inside of the drywall, behind the drywall, on the inside of the house, is that it's a problem with the roof. So I went ahead and checked the nail holes in various locations, checked the roof to make sure the water was shedding correctly, put in sealant and other things in here, and with very little effect, in fact no effect on the inside. And this is all dependent upon water coming in. So when the water comes into the house, it, like I mentioned before, it takes about 8 to 12 hours for the water to eventually make its way into the place where it was causing the damage. But of course, all that time, that water's leaking behind the wall and causing damage you cannot see. So what it is, I rigged up a hose. Hose comes in from the bottom down here on the deck. It's actually underneath the plastic here. I'm helping anchor the plastic as we get a little bit of wind sometimes. I want to make sure that it didn't impact that. I route it behind the skylight, so when the hose is up here, it's not in tension. It's just laying in rest here. It's not being pulled down by the weight of the hose on the deck. You know what it is? I put 3 holes into the hose, and I have moderate pressure in here. So there's a little bit of a stream there, a little bit of a stream here, and a stream here, and I just have the water spreading out. Now you don't want the pressure on so high that's splashing everywhere, because the desire here is try to keep as much of the water out. If you can exclude it completely from again along the side of the skylight, then you're going to have a very good tester, because you want to make sure that you only have water on the glass itself. So without water dripping out here, again, it's a moderate amount to try to simulate a moderate amount of precipitation coming down on your skylight. Sometimes it's helpful to maybe put up little dams in here to kind of keep the, allow the water to migrate to where the seals are. Sometimes those little sticks will migrate on me if there's enough water going down there. But because what you want to do is you want to test the seals. And then the water sheds down the skylight, keeping off the roof here, keeping off the roof over there. And when it gets down here, it just sheds right on top of the plastic. And what I did is I taped it underneath the valance here. You want to make sure you do that. So it's just dripping right on the valance, or right on the, from the valance onto the plastic. And you might want to either shove your plastic under there, but what I found works best is just to tape it under there with something other than duct tape. Duct tape is susceptible to water and especially heat. The glue and duct tape when it gets hot outside will kind of loosen up and not get sticky. Masking tape seems to work out pretty well. Masking tape is, it's not as permanent, and it can be peeled off relatively quickly. Although if you keep it up here for a long time, it's not going to, it may not come, not all the glue will come off of it, but, for a few weeks, if you want to run a test like this using masking tape on your Velux skylight, works pretty well. But again, tape it underneath the valance, make sure the plastic's in the front. You want to make sure that no water is getting underneath the plastic, so therefore you're not skewing your results. So the bottom line here is all I have here is water on top of the skylight, on top of the glass, and we're testing for leakage inside the house. And it is apparent that this Velux skylight and some of the other skylights that we have, which also show the water damage on the wood, you can see on the inside, they are leaking. This one is leaking the worst out of all of them, but it's definitely leaking. So thanks for joining me, and I'll talk to you soon. And there's Jackie and Joanna.
Yeah.
Hi. Hey, I'm demonstrating a leaking skylight.
Oh, maybe that's what it was.
Surprised to see you here.
You said about the pears, so.
Yeah, well, yeah, we don't have a lot left. Actually, I took some to a friend of mine.
Oh.